Hey guys, so we're back with another hair video. Say yay! So today we're going to show you guys how we do an aloe treatment. She just be looking at me. Do an aloe treatment on Milan's hair, right? See, because my hair got a little dry, right? So Milan has her hair in the back. Let me see. Let's try and show them. Her hair in the back right here, if she'll let me show you, is super thick. It's really, really thick, and for some reason, that part of her hair gets dry. She wants to stand up. That part of her hair gets dry. No other parts of her hair, every other part of her hair is fine. Just this one spot gets dry. So today we're going to try out an aloe treatment. So I'm going to show you guys how we gut the aloe, make the puree to put into her hair, and we're going to show you the result. And if you've never seen an aloe plant before, this is what the inside looks like. It's gonna have this jelly look to it. It's kind of gooey. That's perfectly normal. And I tell you guys that I love this baby bullet. It's amazing. I highly suggest it. If you've watched my other videos of me pureeing my daughter's food, I use the food processor, but this has changed my life. I definitely recommend it. Keep watching and you'll see that there's two different ways to get the aloe out of the leaf part of the plant. This first way I'm doing it, I'm using the knife, but keep watching to see another easy way to get it out. So here you can see that the spoon is a really great alternative. It's a little safer and it's super easy. Look at how the aloe just slides right off of the leaf. The aloe that was left over, I just cut up and placed into a bag, and I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Now the aloe that was just blended up still has some little pulpy pieces to it, so we're just gonna filter that out with this funnel. And the remaining aloe I'm just going to put into this bottle right here. For my daughter's treatment, I'm going to use a spray bottle, the aloe, a plastic cap, and a t-shirt to put around her shoulders in case we get any drippage or anything like that. After spraying your baby's hair down, you're going to use the aloe and you're just going to put that all over their hair, their scalp, and you want to be really generous with it. Just apply as much as you can and saturate their hair. Remember, this is a moisturizing treatment. And this is why you want to have that t-shirt or towel handy, because as you can see, it is dripping down her face, and that's completely fine because this is all natural. It's not going to harm your baby, and it's actually really good for their skin too, especially if they have dry skin. But you do want to make sure that you have something to wipe their face down so it doesn't get in their eyes. And if you guys watch my daughter's hair growth video, you know I always give her scalp massages. So Milan's hair is completely saturated in aloe. Yes, show them, shake your curls, shake your curls. So from the amount of aloe that you guys saw me gut out, we still have this much left. Milan's head is very small and she's only 6 months old, so we have some left. So now I'm gonna take this processing cap and I'm gonna put this on her head. And of course, I'm going to be with her at all times while she has this on her head because this is plastic. So right here, I'm just rinsing her hair, getting the aloe out of her hair, just using some water from her bath. Yes, hang time. Look at that, y'all. Yes, come through. Y'all see her hair coming down her neck? Okay. Make sure you check out her hair growth video. Then I'm just using a comb to just comb through her hair, get out any tangles or knots that she may have. But what you can also do is detangle your baby's hair while they have the aloe in. That's a really good suggestion. Rule number 1 of detangling is to always start at the ends and work your way up to the root. Never comb your hair or your baby's hair from the scalp. Start at the ends. And now her curls are nice and juicy and soft. Just look at it. It felt like butter. Length check. So after her bath, her curls in the back are defined. They're usually dry and frizzy. Let me see, Lonnie. They're usually dry and frizzy by now, but as you can see, we still have curl definition. Yay! So I'm thinking it worked, guys. So now I'm just gonna follow up with her oil and her leave-in conditioner. Okay, so I just finished with her routine. So now, let me see if you guys can see her hair. All right, so we have her leave-in conditioner in and her oil. And of course, we're gonna finish off with her satin line bonnet. You guys can get these from Style & Grace Baby Boutique. We're gonna put her bonnet on, get her ready for bed, and she's all set. Her hair is not dry. Her curls are defined. It's looking really, really good. I'm satisfied with the results. If you guys try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments. I want to see if this is working for other moms as well and their babies. Dads too, because I did see some dads in the comments. So let me know how it goes for you guys, and we'll see you next time. Bye.